Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse. Today we're taking a look over the Precision GS30 coffee grinder. The GS30 is a very small yet powerful grinder capable of grinding for espresso brewing, either for a small shop as a secondary grinder like a decaf or retail grinder, or placed next to an espresso machine at home makes for a great option for the home user, being so compact. Weighing only 5 kilograms and standing just under 38 centimeters tall, it means it will fit under just about any kitchen cupboard or tucked away behind the machine. The hopper is well suited to single dosing your coffee as you need to, and you'll find there's the shut-off valve on the hopper that allows you to shift the beans through slowly into the chamber, one dose at a time. However, this hopper is able to fit a full 250 grams of beans up top as well. To operate the GS30, the switch on the side offers the option to manually activate the grinder on and off as you choose, or you can use the automatic push start button found below the grind chute, and then that way you can pulse the grinds out as you need them. In this link up above, you can shop the GS30 as well as compare it against a full range of other precision badge grinders on sale, such as its smaller relative, the GS2. But now let's dive in and check out the specs on the Precision GS30. The GS30 acts as a stepless grinder, meaning that you have full range of motion on the adjustment dial going from 0 to 10, but there are notches on the dial that it clicks into. However, you can be anywhere in between each of these numbers to tweak your grind setting just as you need to. Each grinder comes with a grinds brush and a stainless steel grinds catcher capable of holding around 150 grams of grounds. And the dosing cup, being 55 millimeters in diameter, fits reasonably well into most portafilters for easy transfer of grinds. On the inside, the GS30 uses 16 millimeter flat burrs, the same as the GS2 does. These flat burrs do produce a very tight distribution of particle sizes that leads to a clean tasting, smooth and well balanced espresso. But it is driven by the additional power of a 200 watt single speed motor, grinding out at around 2 grams a second. And those fins that are on the side are cooling fans that help reduce the temperature in the grinding chamber during operation. Now, grinds will move through a clump crusher before ending up in your portafilter or cup, and this assists in that distribution and overall cleanliness. Now, there can be some static buildup present in using the GS30, but I did not find it to be a huge factor when using it. Being an espresso grinder, you're likely to be using the very finest settings capable, and you'll want to manually calibrate this grinder to get the absolute best results. And we want those burrs to be just touching on the 0 setting. To do this, you just need to remove that grind dial, and then whilst the grinder is operating, slowly turn that knob clockwise until you hear a slight humming sound. From here, don't over tighten it or continue turning, as you can damage those burrs, but once you do hear that sound, back off immediately 1 notch and then replace the grind dial, making sure that it's pointing to 0, and then that way you've calibrated your grinder to its finest setting. Now, you might find the GS30 comes calibrated already with those burrs touching at 0, such was the case with this one. And in that way, I didn't find it difficult at all adjusting coarser to find the right setting for me. Retention on the GS30 was only at around 1.5 grams initially, and then it held on to 0.5 gram every so often, but not a lot. And because it's a straight through grinder with a few gentle knocks of the body, it's not too hard to clear that chute. Further cleaning to the GS30 is very simple. However, you do want to make sure that it is completely turned off and unplugged, as it does not have an auto off safety feature. And by removing that front faceplate, which requires no tools, you gain access to the burrs and the grinding chamber. Just give the grinding chamber and the burrs a quick brush down, placing it all back together, and then that way you're going to be keeping the grinder free of any dust or old coffee building up. And that's the Precision GS30 espresso grinder for you. It's a reliable, compact and affordable option to be brewing delicious espresso, whether you're at home or in a small cafe. So if you have any questions on the Precision GS30, throw them in the comment section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.